What are BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes explained simply? Imagine your body as a busy city with countless buildings and roads. Now, think of your genes as the city's blueprint, guiding how everything works. Among these blueprints are two special genes called BRCA1 and BRCA2. Everyone has these genes, with one copy inherited from each parent. They are like the city's repair crews, fixing damage to the DNA, which is the instruction manual for your cells. When these genes do their job well, they help keep your cells healthy and prevent them from growing out of control. That's why they are called tumor suppressor genes. They help prevent tumors or growths that can turn into cancer. Normally, BRCA1 is located on chromosome 17, and BRCA2 is on chromosome 13. These genes produce proteins that patrol the DNA, fixing breaks or damage. This process is vital because damaged DNA can lead to mutations, which might cause cells to grow uncontrollably and from cancer. When these genes work properly, they help keep the genetic material inside your cells stable and intact. But sometimes, mutations or changes happen in these genes. A mutation is like a typo in the blueprint that makes the repair crew less effective or stops it from working altogether. If someone inherits a harmful mutation in either BRCA1 or BRCA2, their cells lose some ability to repair DNA properly. This increases the chance of developing certain cancers, especially breast and ovarian cancer. These cancers can appear at younger ages than usual because the repair process is compromised from the start. Each person normally has two copies of these genes. If one copy is mutated, the other usually still works to protect the cells. But if the second copy also gets damaged during a person's life, then the cell can start to grow out of control, leading to cancer. That's why inherited mutations in these genes are so important. They can be passed down through families, increasing the risk for multiple relatives. BRCA1 is on chromosome 17 and has specific regions that are key for its DNA repair function. BRCA2 is on chromosome 13 and also has critical areas that help it do its job. Mutations in these genes can be different types, like insertions, deletions, or changes that cause the protein to stop working early. These mutations can be inherited or happen spontaneously. People with inherited BRCA mutations are at higher risk not only for breast and ovarian cancers, but also for other types like prostate, pancreatic, and melanoma. Certain groups, such as those of Ashkenazi Jewish descent, have higher rates of specific BRCA mutations. Knowing whether someone carries these mutations is very helpful for family health. It allows for better planning around cancer screening, preventive steps, and treatment options. Genetic testing can reveal if you carry a mutation in BRCA1 or BRCA2. If you do, doctors might recommend more frequent screenings, lifestyle changes, or even preventive surgeries to lower your risk. Some cancers linked to these mutations respond well to targeted treatments like PARP inhibitors, which specifically attack cancer cells with DNA repair weaknesses. In summary, BRCA1 and BRCA2 are genes that normally help prevent cancer by repairing DNA damage. Mutations in these genes increase the chance of hereditary cancers, making genetic testing and family health history important tools for managing and reducing that risk.